The easy way to learn English. In a small village, there lived a young boy named Rana. He was a simple boy. He helped his father in their small shop and studied in a local school. Rana had a big dream. He wanted to speak English well one day. Every day, he watched videos on the internet. Sometimes he saw people speaking English confidently. He felt happy, but also a little sad. He thought, English is very difficult. Maybe I can never learn it. One evening, Rana was sitting beside a river. His friend Kareem came there. "Why are you so quiet?" Kareem asked. Rana smiled softly and said, "I want to learn English, but I cannot speak properly." Kareem laughed kindly. "That is not a big problem. English can be learned slowly." Rana looked surprised. "Really?" "Yes," Kareem said. "You just need practice every day." The next morning, Rana decided to start again. He took an old notebook and wrote on the first page, "I will learn English step by step." He started with very easy words. Book, pen, table, chair. He spoke the words loudly. At first, his pronunciation was not good. Sometimes he forgot the words. But he did not stop. One day, his younger sister Amina asked, "Brother, why are you speaking alone?" Rana smiled and said in English, "I am learning English." Amina laughed happily. "Then teach me too." From that day, they practiced together. Every morning, Rana learned 5 new words. He wrote the meaning beside each word. Then he made simple sentences. For example, I eat rice. I go to school. She is my sister. At night, he read the sentences again. After a few weeks, Rana understood something important. English was not magic. It was just a language. And a language becomes easy when people practice it every day. One afternoon, Rana went to the market with his father. There he saw an old teacher named Mr. Hassan. He was famous in the village because he spoke English very well. Rana felt shy, but he went near him. "Sir," Rana said slowly, "I want to learn English. Can you give me advice?" Mr. Hassan smiled warmly. "Of course," he said. "First, do not fear English. Fear is the biggest problem." Rana listened carefully. Mr. Hassan continued, "Second, listen to English every day. Listen again and again. Even children learn language by listening first. Third," he said, "speak without fear of mistakes. Mistakes are your teachers." Rana felt inspired. That evening, he started listening to simple English videos. At first, he understood very little, but he continued every day. Sometimes he listened to children's stories in English. Sometimes he listened to simple conversations. Slowly, his ears became familiar with English words. One day, Rana heard a sentence. "How are you?" He answered loudly, "I am fine." Then he laughed at himself, but he also felt proud. Weeks passed. Rana made a new habit. Whenever he saw something, he tried to say its name in English. While walking on the road, he said, "Tree, road, sky, bird." At home, he said, "Door, fan, window." His mother sometimes smiled and said, "My son is becoming an English teacher." Rana laughed. One night, electricity went out in the village. The whole area became dark. Rana and Kareem sat outside under the moonlight. Kareem asked, "How is your English learning now?" Rana answered slowly in English, "I am trying every day." Kareem clapped his hands happily. "Very good," he said. Rana smiled. It was a small sentence, but it gave him confidence. After some months, Rana started reading short English stories. At first, he used a dictionary many times. It was slow and difficult, but he remembered Mr. Hassan's words. Do not stop because something is difficult. So he continued reading. Every day, he learned new sentences. He also started writing a diary in English. The first day he wrote, "Today I helped my father in the shop." The second day he wrote, "I studied English for 1 hour." Sometimes his grammar was wrong. Sometimes spelling mistakes happened, but he did not stop writing. One day, Rana became very sad. He tried to speak English with some boys in school. They laughed at his mistakes. Rana returned home quietly. He thought, maybe I should stop learning English. That night, Mr. Hassan visited their home. Seeing Rana sad, he asked what happened. Rana told him everything. Mr. Hassan smiled gently. When a child learns to walk, he said, does he fall? Yes, Rana answered. But does he stop trying? No. Then why will you stop learning English because of mistakes? Rana became silent. Mr. Hassan continued. People who laugh today may respect you tomorrow. Keep practicing. Those words changed Rana's mind again. The next morning, he woke up early and practiced English loudly. I can learn English. I will not give up. Days became months. Rana's confidence slowly grew stronger. One afternoon, a tourist came to their village. The man was looking for a bus station. Many villagers could not understand him. Rana felt nervous, but he stepped forward. The tourist asked in English, can you help me? Rana took a deep breath. Yes, he answered slowly. The tourist smiled. Rana showed him the way to the bus station using simple English. After the tourist left, Rana felt very happy. It was the first time he used English in real life. That night, he told his family proudly. His father smiled and said, I am proud of you. Rana realized something important again. You do not need perfect English to communicate. Simple English is enough if you speak with confidence. After 1 year, Rana changed a lot. He could understand simple English videos. He could read easy books. He could write short paragraphs. Most importantly, he was no longer afraid. One day, the school arranged an English-speaking competition. Rana's friends said, you should join. At first, he felt nervous, but then he remembered his journey. He practiced every day for the competition. Finally, the big day arrived. Rana stood on the stage. His hands were shaking a little, but he started speaking. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rana. 1 year ago, I was afraid of English. I thought English was impossible for me. But today I know something very important. English becomes easy when we practice every day. The audience listened carefully. Rana continued, do not fear mistakes. Listen more, read more, speak more, and practice every day. When he finished, everyone clapped loudly. Rana did not win first prize, but he won something bigger. He won confidence. After the competition, many students came to him. One student asked, Brother, how can I learn English easily? Rana smiled and said, start with easy words. Practice every day. Listen carefully. Read simple stories. Speak without fear. Write daily. And never give up. Years later, Rana became an English teacher in his village. He taught children and young people, but he never taught them difficult grammar first. Instead, he told them stories. He made them speak simple sentences. He taught them songs, conversations, and easy reading. One day, a small boy asked him, Sir, what is the secret of learning English? Rana smiled softly. The secret is very simple, he said. Learn slowly, practice daily, and believe in yourself. The children listened carefully. Then Rana wrote these lines on the board. Listen every day. Speak every day. Read every day. Write every day. Do not fear mistakes. He looked at the children and smiled, because he knew that anyone could learn English. Not quickly, not magically, but slowly, easily, and step by step.